right? Actually, I read it from internet. Fabio, I read New Brunswick from internet. Okay, Mars, thank you so much. Welcome to my live stream. Please like and subscribe. Asi Vlogs, from where are you? Thank you, thank you. God bless us all. Have you ever been to Oman or any relatives in Oman? No, I don't have Oman. No, I don't have. Honestly, I don't have. Yes, New Brunswick near Moncton. Moncton? Moncton or Moncton? Yes, Fabio. I just read about New Brunswick last time. It's like they are opening for a lot of jobs there. What's your favorite food? My favorite food, I really love pizza and pasta. And bread. Oh, okay, Mars. Okay. Yes, a lot of Filipinos are everywhere, around the world. Maybe if you will go out, guys, from your country, while you are walking, you will even see Filipinos, a lot of Filipinos. Yes, Jan, I love pizza and pasta. As Filipino, rice is normal for us, but I can live without even rice. Yes, there are lots of Philippines moving here. Yes, Fabio. Sure, Mars, you can ask a question, no problem. What is it, Mars? Actually, Fabio, I have friend that just transferred there. I think last year. They were there already in Canada. I've never had rice. Oh, really, Jan? Try the jasmine rice, Jan. It's nice. Pizza is so boring. No, it's for you, Asi Vlogs. But for me, I love pizza and pasta. Yes, Mars. I have genuine friends here, by the way. Yeah, he never had rice. Fabio, he never eat rice. It's already heavy. It's heavy, Fabio, the jasmine rice. But I love that rice. I work at a rice factory. Oh, that's good, Gabriel Zamora. So, how many kinds of rice do you have, guys, in your factory? And RV, welcome back. Thank you so much. God bless. Try to visit Philippines, John, and you can eat, especially the newly harvest rice. It's very nice. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mars. God bless. Heavy rice. Yes, rice, it's already heavy if you're eating rice. Anyway, when I was still staying with my parents, we are eating 3 times a day rice. So that's why once I go home also, my mom is scolding me why I'm not eating rice. I'm happy if I have bread. I have a box of Spanish rice but haven't tried it yet. I don't have idea for Spanish rice also. Rice is life. Yes, rice is life for Filipinos. That's why my mom also, of course, she used to that before we are using, like, we are eating 3 times a day rice, and she's getting angry once I go home there and I'm not eating rice. Yes, I love bread. That's why my face look like bread. I'm crazy with bread.